No. Let's go back to the camp and check it from there.
I'm not a child. I can handle it myself. Help Terry.
I just know you've got talent to get into troubles too well. Stay in sight all the time.
Yeah, got it.
I give it that vibe, can't get nowhere else. Cigarettes in the air. That's what's at a hotel, reoccurring dream that we both.
Who's there?
Me and her cool if we chillin' in hell, fixin', but she fixin' to yell.
What a vandal. Got me dirty. It burns. What? What's happening? Vlad, help me.
Jess! Honey!
Darling.
Can you heal her?
My medicines don't help, and it is too dangerous for her health to increase the dose. I've sensed the demon's blood while cleaning her wounds, and I've contacted my friend so he could help us to figure this out.
What is this thing doing in my house?
We need any kind of help.
So, do you have any drops of that demon's blood left?
No, I asked to burn used bandages.
How am I supposed to track him now?
I didn't have time to burn your bag yet because I was busy cooking.
You're my precious girl.
Would you stop groping my maid?
This is my shelter. Here is your target.
Looks like some sort of barracks where your fanged fellow lives. I know nothing about the demon.
It is the demon of nightmares.
Grandpa, how did you get here?
Later, these demons are usually used for interrogations to get the useful information.
Well, well. So the demon couldn't recognize his own kind.
Hey, dude, it's been like 100 and 500 years since I've last been to hell. What do you want from me?
Where am I?
Jessica Hall? Follow me. Vladimir's waiting for you.
There is an abandoned military base in the east. You most likely saw it.
It is important not to wake the demon too rough. He is tightly synchronized with his victim's feelings.
In here, please. Take a sit. Vladimir cannot see you right now. His condition is sick. We can't find out the reason of what weakens him.
Weakens.
Loosen up her emotions. You're holding too tight.
Done.
Vlad, everything will be fine.
Help us understand what makes him feel worse.
There should be stones.
What stones? There are plenty of boulders around. Clarify.
What kind of stones exactly do you mean?
Wait. It doesn't smell. And my clothes... Why don't I feel hot?
We are losing her.
Put some pressure. I need the information.
I'm sorry, what kind of stones were you talking about?
He wears them right.
Yeah, that's the place.
Damn it, they are close. Too late. You're on your own.
All right, now this slime will get what he deserved.
Wait! The Overlord said you can't do it rough.
Easy, easy. Breathe. Right. You're home. It's all right.
It means they got the demon.
Hoolish! What is the Overlord doing here?
What were you asked about?
He asked, what weakens Vladimir?
It means one of two things. Either this vampire tries to get to Vladimir using you, or he gathers the army to weaken our clan. That is why he needs to know the weak sides of clan leaders.
Конец первой серии.